Assalamu alaikum and very good morning, one and all present here. Hope you guys are fine. Today we are going to see about prokaryotic cells and eukaryotic cells and the difference between them. Every living organism falls into one of two groups, eukaryotes and prokaryotes. Cellular structure determines which group an organism belongs to. In this, we will explain in detail what prokaryotes and eukaryotes and outline the difference between two of them. Okay, let's go. Cells are the structure and functional unit of life. Viruses is an exception because it lacks a cell. These are classified into two types based on the presence and or absence of nucleus. They are eukaryotic cells and prokaryotic cells. Let's see what is eukaryotic cells. The eukaryotic cell. The cells containing a true nucleus are called eukaryotic cells. In Greek word it means eu, it's a true. Karyote is the nucleus, true nucleus. The eukaryotic cell has defined cytoplasm and a nucleus. The nucleus is surrounded by a nuclear membrane which separates the nuclear materials from the cytoplasm. Okay guys, did you get it? Okay, then the cells of algae other than it's a blue green algae, fungi, vascular plants, protozoa and all animals are eukaryotic cells. See, this is the structure of eukaryotes. In eukaryotes, the endoplasmic reticulum is present, plasma membrane, ribosomes, mitochondria, membrane enclosed nucleus, nucleolus, cytosol. These are the organelles which is present in the eukaryote cells. Did you understand, girls? Okay, then eukaryotic cells are the advanced and complex cells. They originated from prokaryotic cells. The eukaryotic cells are larger in size. Each cell is surrounded by a plasma membrane. In plants, there is a cell wall around the plasma membrane. The cell wall contains cellulose, a polysaccharide. The cell is filled with a jelly-like fluid called cytoplasm. The cytoplasm is in constant motion called cytoplasmic streaming. Okay guys, did you get? Okay, then the eukaryotic cells contain membrane-bound bodies called organelles. The organelles include, which I said, plasma membrane, endoplasmic reticulum, ribosomes, Golgi apparatus, lysosomes, vacuoles, etc. Plant cells have no centroid. Ribosomes are spherical bodies lying in the cytoplasm. The ribosomes of eukaryotic cells are larger in size and are called ADS. S refers to sedimentation coefficient. Okay guys, it is S. S is referred a sedimentation coefficient. Centrioles are cell organelles found in animal cells. They are involved in cell division, and they are also called division centers. Did you get it, girls? Okay, then the photosynthetic apparatus in the form of plastids. They contain chlorophyll A and chlorophyll B. It is a characteristic feature of plant cells. Some eukaryotic cells contain locomotory structure like pseudopodia, flagella, cilia, etc. The cilia and flagella contains 9 plus 2 fibrils. The eukaryotic cells contain a well-defined nucleus. The nucleus is filled with nucleoplasm and chromosomes. It is bounded by a nuclear membrane. It separates the nuclear material from the cytoplasmic material. Nucleolus is a small body lying inside the nucleus. It is involved in rRNA synthesis. The nucleus is eukaryotic cells contains thread-like structure called chromosomes. The chromosomes number is always more than 1. The chromosomes are composed of DNA and basic protein called histones. The characters are transmitted by DNA. Did you get, girls, what is eukaryotic cells? Now you know what is eukaryotic cells. Now we are going to see what is prokaryotic cells. In prokaryotes, the nuclear material is not surrounded by a nuclear membrane. The nuclear material without a nuclear membrane is called incipient nucleus or nucleoid. The nucleoid lacks a nuclear membrane. It contains a single circular chromosomes formed of a double stranded DNA. The cells of bacteria and blue-green algae are prokaryotic cells. The eukaryotic cells are primitive cells. The Greek word of prokaryotic is pro means first or primitive. Karyot means that is nucleus. First nucleus are primitive nucleus. They are the ancestors for eukaryotic cells. They originated 3,500 million years ago. Prokaryotic cells are smaller in size. The prokaryotic cells are surrounded by a plasma membrane like that of eukaryotic cells. The plasma membrane shows invagination called mesosomes. In all prokaryotic cells, the plasma membrane is surrounded by a cell wall. The cell wall is composed of amino sugar and muramic acid but not cellulose. The cell is filled with cytoplasm. The cytoplasm does not exhibit streaming movements. Prokaryotes are characterized by the absence of certain membrane-bound organelles such as mitochondria, Golgi apparatus, lysosomes, endoplasmic reticulum, vacuoles, etc. This is the structure of prokaryotic cell. Prokaryotic cells contain ribosomes, but they are smaller in size. They are 70 S type. S means S referred as the sedimentation coefficient that I told you, na? Okay. Then centrioles are division center are absent from prokaryotic cells. The photosynthetic apparatus is in the form of flattened sacs called lamellae. They contain chlorophyll A in blue-green algae and bacteriochlorophyll in bacteria. The bacterial cells contain simple flagella which do not contain the 9+2 fibrillar pattern. A true nucleus is absent from prokaryotic cells. The DNA is located in a special region of protoplasm called nucleate or inspiscient nucleus. It does not contain a nuclear membrane. A distinct nucleoplasm is also absent. Nucleolus is absent from prokaryotic cells. Prokaryotes contain a single chromosomes. The chromosomes is small and circular. It is formed of a double-stranded DNA. The chromosome is composed of DNA alone, the protein being absent. In prokaryotes, the genetic material is DNA. Now you get it, girls, what is prokaryotes and eukaryotes. Cell. What is cell? It's a fundamental and structural biological unit of life. Okay. The function of cells are that also cells make the body of plants as animal. Life exists inside the cells. The cells exhibits the characteristics of life: nutrition, locomotion, irritability and reproduction, respiration, excretion, etc. It is in unicellular organism, a single cell does all the work of an organism. In multicellular organism, the cells make up organs and organ system. Cells divide and produce daughter cells. Cells eat, digest, respire, secrete and do all other functions. Now you know what is prokaryotic cells and eukaryotic cells. Now guys, okay. Then